Hello friends, welcome back to my channel the Tech Creator. Guys, today in this video I am going to unboxing this tripod, budget tripod under 900 Indian rupees. So guys, I will show you the specification and how to handle this tripod. So guys, let's watch the full video. So guys, I will show you now the specification. You can see here guys, this is the full specification. Weight is 650 kg and total load weight is 3 kg and maximum height is 140 cm. You can use with your dslr camera also. You can see. Total maximum height is 140 cm. You can extend up to 140 cm. You can see guys. You can increase and decrease your height. This is the handle. Within 900, this is a very good. This is also a handle. You can use this one also. You can capture guys, you can use like your selfie stick. You can see guys, I will show you now. This is the foot. Handle. Height increase and decrease. Handle. This you can see guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.